They help me in my factory.
Mr. Wonka?
To the fudge room.
He'll be chocolate fudge!
Never. I wouldn't allow it. Squeeze the juice out of her at once.
Mr. Wonka, will Violet always be a delivery?
Don't be silly. The Oompa Loompas will de-juice her in no time. The river's flowing, not a speck of light is showing. So the danger must be growing, for the rowers keep on rowing, and they're certainly not showing any signs that they are slowing. On to the nut room, where my specially trained squirrels work away